The numbers of coins that have high potential are very low. The high competition in the market makes things a lot more difficult for the new coins. Even then, certain cryptocurrencies like that of Shiba Inu have been on top performance. Stay tuned to find out more about what is happening with this coin in recent times. Hi SHIB lovers. Welcome to Finance Bro. We will give away $200 for you to 3 random subscribers so that you can purchase your favorite cryptocurrencies. If you are interested in everything around SHIB, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more SHIB news, and let us know in the comments how much you think SHIB will cost next week. In today's video, we will be speaking about the Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu was established in 2020 by an enigmatic figure only known as Ryoshi. A cryptocurrency with a Shiba Inu dog as its mascot may appear to be a ripoff of Doge at first glance, but it is worth further investigation. SHIB's goal was to create a cryptocurrency that was entirely decentralized and governed by its community. The Shiba Inu coin is based on Ethereum, as opposed to Doge, which is based on Bitcoin. Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based Dogecoin-based ERC20 token that bills itself as the Dogecoin killer. The SHIB token does not have any smart contract utility and is not backed by any assets or rights. We will look at the current happenings in the coin, and will also be looking deeper into the prices that we can expect out of it by the end of 2025. Let us now get into today's video. Despite being unable to be listed on Coinbase, this coin, dubbed the Dogecoin killer, has managed to maintain its market position. Despite the fact that it has been trying to get through it in the same way that Dogecoin has, the story of this coin has been quite different. Despite the fact that the entire market was experiencing a drop in prices, the coin did not disappear. In fact, they claim that the coin will eventually reach the $1 mark. The coin could make sure that it stays much more stable than the other coins that took a massive dip, including Bitcoin. Even though this happened, we did not see a huge number of people getting into the coin to make more profits. This means that the potential it had back then was not used up to its capabilities. This means that in case things would have gone that way, there would have been high chances for the coin to be able to reach a FOMO level that would have initiated a massive buying streak by the investors, thereby increasing the price of the cryptocurrency by a huge margin. After breaking away from the blue triangle, SHIB bulls were able to push the price all the way to the resistance at $0.000055. At one point, the price had risen by about 20% from the daily low as on the 11th of November. The bullish signals pointing to this possibility were already discussed in SHIB analysis. The current price action has confirmed this scenario, and if the bulls can convert the top of this descending triangle into support at around $0.000050, they will have a good chance of breaking above the current resistance. If not, the bears may retake control. It is worth noting that the most recent rejection at resistance can be interpreted as another lower low on the chart. If the trend is to change, the bulls must push higher. As a result, any celebrations may be premature. Examining SHIB price technical indicators in greater depth. Trading volume. There was a lot of activity on the breakout from the triangle. However, as the price approached the resistance, this quickly faded. RSI. On the 4-hour time frame, the RSI just made a higher high. This is bullish after previously making a higher low. However, the bulls must maintain their positive momentum so that the RSI can curve back up on a daily basis. MACD. The MACD performed a bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame, indicating a possible reversal. On the daily time frame, the MACD histogram also made a higher low, indicating that the bearish trend is ending. Being one of the potential coins, there are high chances that the growth will be much more stable than that of Dogecoin, which notices price hikes of more than 30% through a single tweet of Elon Musk. This characteristic is deadly to not only the cryptocurrency but also to the investors who invest in such a coin. This has not been the case with the Shiba Inu ever since it was first seen in the market. Now, will this coin hit the $1 mark? The answer to this question may seem similar to that of the answers others have been giving for Dogecoin when the topic is when Dogecoin will hit the $1 mark. Shiba Inu price changes and Shiba Inu historical price data. We predict the Shiba Inu price could be $0.000019 at the end of the year 2021. The highest possible Shiba Inu price in the next 3 years is $0.000134, and the lowest possible Shiba Inu price is $0.000012. According to our calculations, the Shiba Inu price will be around $0.000037 at the end of 2022, and it could easily reach $0.000060 by the end of 2023. When we calculate the Shiba Inu near-future price prediction for the end of 2024, we discover an astonishing value of $0.000097 per Shiba Inu. With all these, let us get to know the Shiba Inu coin a bit closer. As of the 12th of November, the value of Shiba Inu is $0.000052, with a 24-hour trading volume of $8,063,298,818. The current ranking is number 11, with a live market cap of $31,861,836,007. It has a circulating supply of 549,95,509,738,353 SHIB coins. By that, we mean that the prices could then touch $0.00018 by the end of 2021 or the start of 2022. The progress from that point will probably be much slower, as the integration into Coinbase and Robinhood would have already been accomplished, and the hype created right then would have already raised the price to the levels we just discussed. Continuing this trend will mean that we will be able to see the prices rise by over around 600% by the time we enter into 2025. This prediction is based on the assumption that by the end of 2021 or the start of 2022, we will be able to trade Shiba Inu on Robinhood and Coinbase. As we mentioned earlier, this will be the biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu. Community strength will help in uplifting the potential and will also increase the overall stability of the coin. The establishment of the Shiba Inu coin on Coinbase and Robinhood will be a multi-beneficiary deal for the coin and its investors. Therefore, from the above data, it is almost certain that Shiba Inu is going to reach new highs, and the prices are going to skyrocket through the roof. Therefore, people looking for a stable investment with guaranteed returns, Shiba Inu might be where you put your money into. If you found this video inspiring, and wish to see more content like this, let us know which coin inspired you the most below in the comment section. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so they might have changed to a whole new value by the time you watch this video. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice and is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So there you have it. And with that, we have come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video inspiring, and wish to see more content, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to avoid missing any more info. See you all soon in the next video.